Okay. And what are the future predictions about the commodities?
Gold and silver, we are quite bullish even at current levels. तो अगर सिल्वर टर्म्स में बोलेंगे अराउंड $50 to $55 सिल्वर जा सकता है. इंडियन मार्केट्स में दैट विल बी अराउंड 1,55,000 1,56,000 roughly. So that's the silver for you, around 25-30% from here. गोल्ड एक्चुअली इज अ टैक्टिकल एसेट एंड स्ट्रैटेजिक एसेट. एक्चुअली उसमें रिटर्न्स देखना नहीं चाहिए. रिटर्न्स आता रहेगा, दैट्स इंसिडेंटल, बिकॉज यू आर होल्डिंग गोल्ड. इंसिडेंटली आपको रिटर्न्स आता रहेगा. But generally, people should not be investing in gold for return purposes, because it's a part of your portfolio investment and portfolio insurance. So, आपको हमेशा, if you are a high risk investor, you can have 85-95% also in high risk assets like capital markets, but आपको 5% तो हमेशा गोल्ड रखना है. But if you are a medium risk investor, आपको 15% गोल्ड रख सकते हैं. आप if you are a low risk investor, 25% गोल्ड रख सकते हैं. So but gold has to be part of your portfolio always, despite whatever, wherever it is, right? But as we all want to know the upside trajectory, my thing is probably in 18 months you should be getting at around $4,500. That's around 30% higher from here. Indian market mein 30% will take you to around 1,35,000 something in gold. Given that I am also suspecting or expecting that rupee will further depreciate, probably towards around 90 and half, 91. So that will actually give us slightly more, because if you are looking at even current year, January to today, globally, the gold prices went up by 30%, 29 and half roughly, is 30% till yesterday. And in Indian terms, that is in rupee terms, again January to yesterday, gold went up by 40%. So 30% in dollar terms and 40% in Indian terms. That means there is that additional kicker which has brought in India by rupee depreciation. So roughly around 2.5-3% rupee depreciated from January to till date, but that has given you additional 10% returns in domestic terms. So that's actually a fabulous return in roughly 8 months, 40% return this year. And we're looking at next, again, don't look at 2 months from here. I'm saying look at least 12 to 18 months from here. You'll get around another 25-30%. Whether I should buy now or when to buy, rather than, because when we are actually, the purpose of gold is to stabilize your purchasing power, to stabilize your long-term wealth, and a diversification factor. So nobody actually puts 100% of their money into gold. So you're buying some mutual funds, you're buying some insurance, you're buying various other asset classes. So general principle is you have to buy, at least you should have 5, 10, 15% of your portfolio into gold as an insurance to the portfolio itself. So in bad times, gold will not perform bad. But though your financial assets will crash, it might go down by your equity markets go down by 25-30%, 40%, but gold will never go down by that much. So it will give you that insurance and safety. So whenever you're buying gold, it's always for long term, rather than whether should I buy now. So if you're buying now for the next 10 years, absolutely no problem. If you're buying for next couple of months, then there could be a problem, because when any asset rallies by 30-40% in very short time, there could be 5-10% corrections at any time, right? So the corrections can come 2-3 months down the line.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.